Chocolate makes everything better. And if you are one of those who think that chocolate and bananas taste absolutely fantastic and basically were meant to be eaten together, you definitely can skip this recipe. Plus, it's incredibly easy. First of all, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and lightly grease a loaf pan. In a bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas, add 2 eggs, 100 grams of white sugar, vanilla extract, and 80 grams of vegetable oil. Whisk until well combined. Sift 170 grams of all-purpose flour, 35 grams of cocoa powder, and 10 grams of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt too. Here I forgot to do it and I noticed a difference. The pinch of salt helps to enhance and balance all the flavors. Stir until well combined, without overcooking the butter. Now add 125 grams of dark chocolate chunks and stir until combined. Spoon the mixture into the prepared pan and spread to even it out if necessary. If you want, you can top the batter with extra chocolate chunks or nuts. Bake for 50-60 minutes, until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep it in the pan for 5-10 minutes, then let it cool on a wire rack for a couple of hours. As I didn't top the banana bread, I just sprinkled some cocoa powder, but this is optional and up to taste. You can also dust the top with icing sugar. The crumb of this banana bread is pleasantly chewy and not too moist. The bitterness of dark chocolate helps neutralize the intensely sweet flavor of bananas, which sometimes can be a little bit cloying and sickening. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.